Hello everyone. So we are here with a new video with a new lead code challenge. So the video is maximum number of balloons. What does that mean? So see, the problem is very straightforward. We have given a string and we have to tell that how many instances of balloon present in it. What do you mean by instances? Like the character which is present in this string, by using these characters, how many times we can create balloon. In that, if you see, this is NLABOLO, which is BALLOON. So this is the one instance. If we take this, there is a one instance, and after that we are remaining with E and K, which not contribute to create any instance of balloon. So we can't create any other instance. Now in that string, you can see we have this as our first instance and this as our second instance. Here we don't have to think about any consecutive type stuffs. So this is a very straightforward problem. See, if you try to solve this problem, there is a lot of things that comes to mind that how we can solve it. People think in the iterative approach or looping something like stuff, but when I try to solve this problem, I think the loop is a little bit difficult for me. So in that case, whenever there is a problem where we have to create some instance or we have to check the strings, characters, something like this, or the hash map or in the Python, the dictionaries are very intuitive to use it. How we can use dictionary in that? This is one thing. So simple as that, we create a hash map for all the string or the text we have. So after creating that, as we know very well, in order to create a one instance of value, we need we need only one B character, one A character, two L character, two O character, and one N character, right? So we simply can say that in that case we simply divide everyone and like not divide, we simply can check how many times the N is repeated, how many times the L, A, or whatever the character which is present in the balloon is repeated. Okay, and from there we can easily find out like how many instance we can find. Okay, so let's see the code. I think it helps you to understand the problem very clearly. And after looking at the code, we will take a test case. Okay, so this is the code. Here we create our dictionaries, and from all of these, we are finding the minimum, and that's our answer. What I mean by this, let's suppose I have a string like BALLON. Let's suppose this is my text. So if I create the dictionary for this, so the dictionary B having frequency 1, A having frequency 1, LL having frequency 2, the OO having frequency 2, and the N having frequency 1. Okay, so from all, what is the minimum frequency? We can say 1, and that is the only instance we have. Let's suppose if there are two instances. What do you mean by two instance? Two instance means there is a 2 times B, there is a 2 times A, there is a 2 times more L, 2 times more O, and 2 times and 1 time N. So in that case, the B has frequency 2, A having frequency 2, L having frequency 4, and O having frequency 4, and this N having frequency 2. Now from there we know that if we have two instances of balloon, there must be 4 frequency of L and 4 frequency of O. Okay, because in one instance we need 2 frequency of L, right? So for the L and for the O, we divided it by 2, and after dividing it by 2, we are having 2, and uh, from all of this, whatever the minimum we have, that is our answer. That is the whole thing we did here. Let me try this. Okay, now it works fine. I hope you get it, bro. And bye bye.